Today we're talking about playing with dollies and trucks. This ain't your average sandbox. What up, workforce? I'm Destry with JJ Safety, and today we're talking manual material moving equipment. Manual material moving equipment such as hand trucks, dollies, carts, and non-powered pallet jacks are used to make moving materials manually safer. It can greatly reduce musculoskeletal injuries. However, this equipment can present serious hazards if not properly used or maintained. Here are some examples of the hazards you may face when using manual material handling equipment. Running the truck's wheels off a bridge or dock plates, dock platforms, uneven surfaces, or inclines, colliding with other trucks or obstructions, jamming your hands between the truck and other objects, running over your feet, heavy materials falling onto your coworkers, and unbalanced loads tilting over. Hand trucks feature two wheels and stand upright. Although hand trucks appear to be simple devices, users must remember a few basic safety procedures. When stacking items on the truck, keep the heaviest load on the bottom. Never stack items so high that you can't see where you're going. When carrying multiple boxes side by side, stagger them to lock in the boxes. Be sure transported items are sturdy enough to be moved. Secure any bulky, awkward, or delicate objects to the truck. Plan your route. Be aware of potential hazards during the path of travel. Avoid walking backward with the hand truck. It's safer to push than to pull. Always maintain a safe speed and keep the hand truck under control. Park the trucks in a designated area to avoid fire or tripping hazards. Store hand trucks with handles facing the wall and let the truck do the work for you to avoid straining a muscle or other injuries. A dolly is a platform with four wheels and two axles that can be used to transport heavy items from one location to the next. Unlike hand trucks, which can slide under the item on the ground, items must be lifted onto the dolly to transport them. Safety tips include: use proper lifting techniques when putting the materials onto a dolly. Place heavier items lower on the bottom and the lighter ones on the top. Position the items to rest over the dolly's axles. Make sure the items are secured. Move slowly and move forward. Do not go backward. If you're going down a ramp or slope, make sure the loaded dolly is in front of you. If you're going up, keep it behind you. Carts are very similar to dollies when it comes to safety hazards and precautions. Four-wheeled carts equipped with one set of articulating wheels are easier to maneuver than carts equipped with all stationary wheels. Pallet jacks are used to lift and move stacked materials on wood pallets in a warehouse. They're the most basic form of forklift. Safety tips include: inspect the wheels to ensure they are rolling easily. Check the forks before loading for damage or defects. Make sure there are no hydraulic fluid leaks. Know the maximum load limit. Never overload a pallet jack. Ensure loads are stacked evenly on the forks before moving a load. Keep loads as close to the ground as possible for transport. Operate the pallet jack at a safe speed. Start and stop slowly. Do not steer pallet jacks onto uneven surfaces and avoid steep inclines. When possible, push pallet jacks during the transport. Pulling puts considerable strain on the back. And never try to stop a pallet jack with hands or feet. This could cause serious injury, especially with a heavy load. When it comes to moving materials, make sure to use the right equipment for the job and do not overload it. Whether you play with your trucks or your dollies, play nice. Thanks for choosing JJ Safety, and thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online at jjsafetyllc.com or call us at 866-627-3850.